May tanong po ako. Tama po ba na bigyan kami ng supervisor namin ng 2 day off sa isang linggo? Well, friends, ito yung tanong ni Sir sa ating Q&A with Prof. AMN. It's about weekly rest day ng empleyado. Sige po, I will answer this question in a direct, concise, and with example. All right? Are you ready, friends, to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. Disclaimer, ang sagot natin is based from Labor Code of the Philippines, Article 91. Ito po, Right to Weekly Rest Day. Article 91 po yan ng Labor Code of the Philippines. It shall be the duty of every employer, whether operating for profit or not, to provide each of his employees a rest period of not less than 24 consecutive hours after every 6 consecutive normal work days. So ang tanong ni Sir is that pwede ba daw na 2 days po ang day off niya sa isang linggo? Good question po yan, Sir. And my answer to that is based sa batas po natin sa Labor Code. According sa Article 91, as you can see, it shall be the duty no ng every employer na bigyan ng rest day si sir or ma'am or employees niya ng 24 consecutive hours na rest day. Meaning isang full day po. Pag ganito ang batas po natin, sir, ang ibig sabihin yan, it could be 1 day or more. So, ang hindi pwede sa batas is if less than 1 day po yan na rest day or less than 24 consecutive hours. But if maglampas po sa 1 day or 24 consecutive hours, that is acceptable sa law. That is my understanding sa batas na ito. And narinig ko din ito sa isang video no sa YouTube na abogado po yung nag-explain nito na yung weekly rest day could be more than 1 day in a week. Pwede po magsobra but not kulang. So very clear po ang sagot natin, sir. Pwede po 2 days in 1 week. In fact, kung sa government office tayo magtrabaho, Monday to Friday lang po ang trabaho, right? So ibig sabihin, they have 2 days na rest day, Sabado and Linggo. It could be applicable also to private company. Management prerogative po yan or management policy or company policy na from 1 day, pwede yan 2 days na rest day. So Monday to Friday lang po yung work ng employee, then Saturday and Sunday, mag-rest day po. Well, sir, importante po na mag-rest day tayo, no? Not only 1 day, but preferably 2 days. Para naman may time tayo sa family, may time tayo sa sarili natin, then maka-recharge tayo physically and mentally. So, wag natin abusuhin ang katawan natin, sir. So, hindi tayo dapat mag-overwork. Right? So, kung gusto po ninyo na magka-income kayo for that rest day, pwede naman. Side hustle kayo, mag-sideline kayo, ano kayo ng business, small business, sa bahay lang po. And from that, naka-income pa rin tayo. Productive pa rin tayo, in other words. And may passive income. Do not focus sa active income lang, sir, but also passive income during rest day. Right? So hope na nasagot ko yung question po ninyo, sir or ma'am. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.